Hello everyone. Today we will study about the classification of matter. Now, what is a matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and that have mass. For example, around us, air, wood, pen, pencil, books, all these things are called as matter. Now, each matter is made up of one or more components and that are called substance. Now, we will do its classification. Every substance is made up of two types of substance. Either they are pure or they are impure. Under pure substance, we are having two things. One is element and another is compound. An element is the simple and basic unit of a substance. Although now we have discussed other basic unit also. Under elements, we are having metal, non-metal and metalloids. Metalloids are those which are having property of both metal and non-metals. Next, we are having compound. Compound is those substances which are made up with two or more elements. They are combined together chemically in a fixed ratio by mass. For example, water. Water is a compound which is made up of with two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. So they combine chemically. We cannot separate them by any physical methods. Under compound, we are having organic compound and inorganic compounds. Organic compounds are those compounds which are made up of with living things. For example, carbohydrate, protein, all these things are called organic compound. Under inorganic compound, we are having the compound which are made up with non-living substance. For example, rocks, earth, sand, from these. Next, we are having impure substance. Impure substance are called as a mixture. Now, what is a mixture? For example, if we want to make a laminate, so to make a laminate, we are mixing salt, sugar, water and lemon juice together. But we are not having their fixed ratio or fixed quantity. That's why they are called as a mixture. So, mixture are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixture are those mixture when the concentration is same throughout the mixture. For example, if we are mixing some salt in water, so that form a homogeneous mixture because the concentration or the amount of salt is same throughout the water. So that's why they are called as solution also. Next, we are having heterogeneous mixture. So heterogeneous mixture are those mixture in which amount is not same throughout the mixture. For example, if we are dissolving some chalk powder or sand in water, so we are not having the amount same throughout the solution. It is not completely dissolved in that. So under heterogeneous, we are having suspension and colloid. So they are divided according to the particle size. If in a heterogeneous mixture, if we are having particle size large, that is called as suspension. And if the particle size is small in a heterogeneous mixture, they are called as colloid. Example of suspension are mud water and example of colloids is milk. Hope you have understood the classification of matter clearly. Thank you.